Hi everyone. Reliability-centered maintenance principles were developed over 50 years ago. And since then, the RCM process has been used by organizations all over the world to develop solutions to get them the kind of reliability that they want. RCM is a great place to start if you want to optimize your current maintenance program, or maybe you want to figure out what's been causing all of the chronic breakdowns. Or maybe you want to finally get out of reactive mode and stop running from fire to fire and dealing with frazzled teams. Or maybe you want to start a condition-based maintenance program. I've been facilitating RCM analyses and conducting RCM training for over 20 years, and I have seen firsthand how an organization can be transformed when the RCM process is applied correctly with the right people. So if you want to discover what RCM is, how it's applied, and the benefits that you can get from the process, I invite you to take my free training course. And if you do, I'd love to know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.